Okay, good morning to everyone. The problem statement which we have chosen is a centralized monitoring system for street light fault detection and location tracking. Why we have chosen this problem statement means in India it is a major fault because in each and every place we need a street light because in night times it ensures the safety to the public and um, it avoids maximum accidents at all. That's why I have chosen this statement. In the statement, what we are going to do is we are going to develop an centralized monitoring system within some hardware as well as software, which is used to detect the fault, whether it is an um, side of a street light or whether it is in a fault in line, whatever it may be, it will be detect and send a notification to the centralized monitoring system. So next page, please. The components which we are going to use in this project is Arduino based devices and sensors like LDR and LDR is used to check whether the light is working or not, and GPS module is for locating the location of exact where the fault has been detected, and the wireless communication protocols is just for transmitting the data which is collected by the sensor and the Arduino to the centralized monitoring system. The flowchart of this project is the sensor first of all collects the data from data whether the light is working or not, and the data is transmitted to the Arduino processing board, where we have already coded some programs to detect whether the sensor is working or not, and collect the data. Then it will be, if it is fault means, then it is updated to the centralized monitoring system with the location using the GPS tracking system. While the data is received at the centralized monitoring system, we can easily change or replace the bulb and whether it is fault. It will be more useful for the electricians or the linemen, those who all are working. Till now, it is this process is done with manual process alone. But using this project, it can be more efficient and more time-saving project for them. The hardware we are using in this project are Arduino microprocessor for the main purpose, just transmitting data and collecting data from the sensor. And sensors like LER and the photodiode we are going to use. GPS module, it can be either a GSM module or GPS module or node MCU. Depends upon the area and depends upon the protocols we are using. What kind of transmission we are going to use, then we can fix the GPS or any other modules. Depends upon the area alone, it can be determined. And centralized monitoring system hardware to get the data and send to the lineman or any other persons to rectify the fault. And software we are going to use is Arduino IDE. In that we are going to use the C programming. So next page. Yeah, this project will be useful for the urban lifestyle because the street lights are plays a major role in nighttime as well as ensures the safeties of the public. And it also used to the Arduino way we have chosen is instead of Arduino we can use other microcontrollers or microprocessor boards like Raspberry Pi and all. When we are going for a large scale implementation, the Arduino may be user friendly as well as cost effective compared to other boards. And the GPS module, already I told we can use GPS module or GSM module, depends upon the area which we are choosing. And for software, we are just first we are going to write an algorithm whether the light is working or not. Collected data from Arduino to the centralized monitoring system. In this, we are going to use a wireless medium, which may be wireless, maybe the Wi-Fi or a GPS module. Both of them are user friendly. This is the overview of my project. Now we are having this project in just an idea, but in future it may be developed as a prototype as soon as possible.